You wanna go say hi and give him a high five? Yeah? Smile!
Thank you. Happy Easter.
Yeah, you give him a high five? That's so cool. Zuza, what is it? Dinosaur? Oh, look, he's looking at you. How cool is he, huh? He's nice. You want to pet him? You don't want to pet him? You're scared? Look, he's there. Look, he's nice. Look. Zuza, you like it? You a little bit scared? Oh, look, he's going. He's chasing that kid because he wasn't good.
Happy Easter.
Gonna happen here? Who's gonna throw eggs? From the helicopter. And you gotta catch as many as you can, okay? And you'll get a prize for that. That's right. You're gonna run fast? Super fast. You excited? How many you got? You got 7 eggs, and now we're gonna go and change them for a prize. Yeah, let's go. Getting your face paint?
Yes.
Do you know what you want? Not yet? You want to look like Easter Bunny?
Yeah.
Okay.
Amazing!
dinosaurs. They're singing and playing. Dressed up for Easter. He has a bag for Easter. Do you want one like this? You gotta give your egg. We need an egg. Give one egg and take one thing. Okay? Put it in and pick one. Green? What did you pick? Let me see. Can you say thank you?
Happy Easter.
Oh, she's so cute.
I want to pet that.
Hi.
Hello.
Oh, it's a...
What are you looking at?
Zuza, is that for you? You're gonna eat this? Oh, I think she's gonna eat this. Look at this. Hi.
Yum, 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 yum.
Smash. Hey, hey. No, 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 no. Ty małpo jedna. You took it all? You took it all?
I'm so delicious.
Żeby te baby zostały.
Hey. Hi. Oh, look who's coming, Zuza.
Well, hello there.
Ah, spadło. She ate it, yeah.
What's so funny?
No daj jej, daj.
Yum, 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 yum.
Weź.
I'm so delicious.
I like how she's eating. She's so gentle.
Well, thank you very much.
I'm so delicious.
Thank you, Zuza. Which color? Which one you want? Purple? You orange? Okay, take orange and give him your egg. Ugh. And give him your egg. Thank you. Come on. Masz korale? Yay! Gdzie teraz? More prices? No to let's go. Go, follow tata.
This is so cool!
Trading the eggs here. Oh, chyba nie. No, I don't see it. Orange. Orange egg, and you're gonna... Red egg. And what are you gonna get? Aha, a ty co? A blue frog. Hey. Which one are you gonna take? Purple, yummy. Yum yum. Now green. Okay, give him green egg. Right here.
There you go.
What is it? Ah, how cool! Thank you. What do you want, Zuza? This? What is this? What is this?
It's a marble in there, they just squeeze it back and forth.
And you want to take this? Okay. Okay, what do you say?
You're welcome, and your face looks beautiful.
Isn't it? They did a great job. Look at the bunny! Zuza! You can pet it! Pet it! Aww! Did you get it? Yay! How was it? Was it fun? You're so brave. Let's come and see your picture, okay? Let's see how your picture came out. What do you think? Let's see the other one. Oh my goodness! Look at this one.
It's beautiful.
So pretty. Okay. Tam są. Nie. Let's see.
Mommy, I was about to eat the egg.
Yeah, but
I was like this.
do it here.
I was like this.
No. Don't eat the egg. That's the last egg. What color?
Blue.
What color?
Orange.
You want a bracelet? Easter bracelet? You see it? You pick one. Orange for an orange egg. Here's an egg. Thank you. Yeah. That's it. That was the last one. Woohoo! Now we can go.
Bye bye.